Hey guys, today we're unboxing and reviewing not one but two smartwatches from RUNMEFIT, the sleek GTR 3 and the larger feature-rich Watch 4. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a health tracker, or just looking for a stylish wearable, this side-by-side will help you decide which one is right for you. So guys, let's start with the unboxing. First up, the GTR 3. Inside the box we got the watch itself with that clean zinc alloy frame, a magnetic charging cable and a user guide. Right away it feels solid in hand, and the 1.43-inch AMOLED display is sharp, 466 by 466 pixels, vibrant crisp colors, full multi-touch support. The Watch 4 it's a bit bigger with 1.95-inch AMOLED screen and a slightly lower resolution at 410 by 502, but still looking very sharp. It's lighter at just 25.6 grams without the strap, thanks to its high-strength plastic body and soft liquid silicone band. When it comes to the design, the GTR 3 leans more premium with its zinc alloy middle frame and compact 1.43-inch screen. It's classy, minimal and fits well even on smaller wrists. The Watch 4 goes bold, wider screen, more screen real estate and a lightweight build that makes it super comfortable for all-day wear. Both offer full-screen multi-touch support, customizable watch faces and great outdoor visibility thanks to the bright AMOLED displays. In short, GTR 3 for elegance, Watch 4 for compact and impact. Now let's talk about the health tracking. Both watches go far beyond step counts. They both feature the MAI Health Index, which combines multiple health metrics into one simple vitality score. You get automatic heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen levels, stress tracking, mood analysis, and exercise heart rate zones. They also offer women's health tracking, respiratory rate, breathing exercises, liveliness detection, and personalized health reminders. And here's where both watches really shine: the sleep tracking. You can track your sleep patterns in detail, analyze deep, light, and REM sleep stages, as well as awakeness periods. They even record daytime nap durations, helping you understand your overall rest habits more accurately. Plus the in-depth historical report, you can manage and improve your sleep quality over time. The Watch 4 also adds features like blood pressure and blood glucose studies, great for those who want deeper health insights, not medical grade, but still very helpful for monitoring trends. For fitness lovers, both watches offer 100 sports modes, including walking, running, cycling, yoga, and many more. You get MET tracking, steps distance, calories burned, and detailed workout records. Both are 3-atmosphere waterproof, so swimming and splashes are not a problem. Whether you're hitting the gym or the pool, either watch has your back. On the smart side of things, both watches support Bluetooth calling, push notifications, music and camera control, and even voice assistant activation from your phone. You also get apps like Pomodoro timers, world clock, calendar, weather, alarm, calculator, and more, essentially turning these into full-featured smart devices. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable connection, and with up to 10 meters of range, you will stay connected even when your phone is across the room.
Settings and service support, press 4. To contact the support agent for other issues and topics, press 0.
Battery life is decent on both watches. The GTR 3 packs a 390 mAh battery with 7 to 15 days of typical use and up to 45 days of standby time. The Watch 4 has a slightly smaller 360 mAh battery, but still manages 8 to 15 days with the same 45 days standby time. Charging is magnetic and it takes about 2 hours to go from 0 to full 100%. Both smartwatches are compatible with Android 7.0 and iOS 12 devices, and sync with Google Fit and Apple Health. The RUNMEFIT app ties everything together with a clean, easy-to-use interface. So which one should you choose? Go with the GTR 3 if you prefer a more refined, premium build and a slightly sharper screen in a compact form factor. But if you want bigger display, lighter feel and extra tracking features like blood pressure and glucose monitoring, the Watch 4 is a solid pick. Both watches are affordable, feature-packed and designed to keep up with your lifestyle. So guys, let me know in the comments which one you would go for, the compact GTR 3 or the boat Watch 4. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap that notification bell for more tech reviews coming your way. Purchase links can also be found in the video description. Thank you all for watching, see you all in the next video.